Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Today we'll create a brand board template in Canva. Since it's a template, you can easily sell this or give it as a gift, or if you're a designer, you can use this template to create boards easily for different clients. And since Canva is free, anybody with Canva account can use this. This brand board template is ideal for coaches, bloggers, designers, business owners, and anyone who wants to collect all of the visual elements of a brand in one place. Present your new brand design in style or use the board as the reference to keep your design consistent. Creating a brand board will help you get your branding focused and clear. You can create a stunning and professional board with the click of a mouse in minutes with this amazing template. We will create all elements and text to be fully customizable so anybody who uses this can edit to match their brand logo, colors, fonts, and images. But before we start, if you find this video helpful in any way, please hit that subscribe button for me. I totally appreciate your support. Thank you so much. All right, let's get started. Hello, so now we're in Canva and just create a new design and enter 6 by 12 inches and create new design. So now we have this. Let's zoom this in. Okay. And we go to elements. Just search for grid and use this square grid. Just click on that and we'll just resize this one. Okay, and go again to elements and search for line. Click this line, put it right here. We'll change the stroke or the line weight to 1 and just drag it over here all the way there. Okay, then copy this or duplicate this one. The easy way is to just hold the option key and then drag it like this, and we'll make 6 of this, and then we'll create 6 of this. And just make sure that they're evenly spaced and aligned, so just highlight everything and then position and tidy up. There you have it. Okay, now copy this again, the line, and we'll copy this one, resize it that much again. Okay, and we'll center this too over there. Now copy the line again. So it's just a matter of duplicating most of these elements. And now I'm going to copy this over here. Next, we'll just go to elements and use this square and just resize this to about this big, like so, and we can always change that anytime, the color. And I'm just going to duplicate this once more. I need 6 of this and highlight everything. Go here, position, and tidy up. Okay, now just copy this one. Here we go, resize. And I'm gonna copy this one again and resize it like this. Now here, just copying and pasting everything actually. And here once more. The spacing is up to you, so whatever looks best. And now copy this again, the line, one more over here. We go to text and then this one, add a little bit of body text. I'll do font. I'll make this about 9 or 8. This, and I'm gonna change the font to Poppins Medium, or you can do whatever font you want. Center this for now over here. I'm gonna copy this twice. Okay, so whatever brand font that you have, you can put it here, and then this would be your font name actually. There you go. And copy over here. If you have 2, then you can do 2. If you have 3, then do your 3. Okay, so here is you can put your social media icons. So if you go to elements, you can always search for any social media icons or logos over here. So for example, Pinterest. So I can use this one, maybe 4 by 4. Can always change the color. Let's do black for now. If you have Twitter, so now you have to select everything again, position it, and tidy up. Now all that's left is copy this We put it here. This would be our mood board, and then this one would be logo. And if you have like a sub mark, you can use this part. I'll show you what it is over there. Oops. Okay. And just make sure it's centered on the other one. And this one would be your color palette. So let's just make sure that they're all spaced properly. Okay, so once you're done with everything, you can send this link. You can share this and then copy the link and then send it to whoever you want to send it to. You can sell it and you can give it as a giveaway or whatever. So how to use this? So you already have this. So let's try to duplicate this one. Now let's put some images and photos over here. So if you already have your logos, you can upload it over here and just drag it. So for example, I have this. Okay, so all you have to do is drag it and then just make sure that it's centered like that. Okay, there you have it. And let's go to mood board first. And if you already have your images, then you can always use them. So normally here you would put your portrait, and let's try this. Now I have all my images here, and I want to change all this to different colors because this is also my color palette over here. So what I'm gonna do is just click any of this, and then I go to color, and actually these are the photo colors from all of these photos. Or if you, for example, you have a brand color, you can also use it like over here. Okay, so I want this, and then just click it. Click the color that you want. Just it's as easy as this, and also use this. All right, so now I have that. So going back up, let's do another color palette over here. So this one. So here I forgot to put something. No, the hexadecimal. You might want to put it, right? And then we can change it later. So here you can always change it to the colors that you have here. So it's like this. So for hexadecimal, now you go to this one and you go here. You can always hover on the color and you can see it right there, but you cannot copy it. So what you're gonna do is just add new color and hit Control C or Command C, and then go here, copy, and then again go copy and paste, go, and that's all you have to do. So now you have that. That for the logo, just go back to your uploads and just put it here. Make sure that it's centered, okay, and look like this. There you go. All right, we're almost done. So for the fonts, you can always put your own fonts. So this is the one that I used for my logo, and this you can change it to your brand color as well. So it's easy to just change every color to any color that you want. So now there you have it. That looks nice. So now you have your brand board ready and available for anyone who will use it, including yourself. And that's it. If you found this useful, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. It'll be awesome to know that lots of people will be able to learn how to create this simple project. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, bye!